So in this video I'm gonna show you how to solo install the interior door for the Middle European frame with gasket 4.5 by 3/4 for the 2x6 wall, and for the project that doesn't have the flooring, hardwood floor installed yet. I'm gonna start drilling holes in a door slab and in the frame later. I'm only installing the 2 screws, which is on the top and on the bottom. About this one I'm gonna explain you later when I'm gonna start installing the door into the opening. Before starting any installation, we would like to check the level first. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna check the floor level and wall level. Based on what we're gonna determine, we're gonna figure out how to mount the frames. So this wall is 2 millimeters, like 1/8 of the plumb, meaning our frame is gonna be a little bit shifted, so it's gonna be flush somewhere over here and a little bit deeper to the bottom. On this side is a little bit different. We have wall shifted to the opposite side 1/8, meaning we're gonna install it flush on the top, and then the wall will be sticking out 1/8 on the bottom. The floor is level. So if the floor is off the plumb, let's say it's sloped a little bit, we recommend to cut the frame on one of the sides up to 1/4. We don't recommend to cut any more. So when you cut 1/4, the only difference will be the gap under the door, but this way you can keep the door slab and frame in level. Since on this job site we don't have the flooring installed yet, it's going to be a hardwood flooring 3/4. What we did, we brought the spacers, same thickness of the floor, and then plus when they're going to apply the glue, the flooring is going to be a little bit higher. It's always better to install the frame a little bit lower, so the flooring installer can notch the frame and trim a little bit in order to go tight, but we want to be higher than thickness of the future floor. In order to hang the door, we suggest to use steel oil-wrapped screws with the gauge number 8 head. This head always hides flush with the hinge, and a head is not sticking out. As you noticed, I haven't used any shims yet because I just wanna hang the side of the hinge plumb before I start adjusting this side of the level. I wanna mount this one first. Like I mentioned, we're not using any shims yet. We just installed the frame the way it's plumb. So now what I see, that I need to lose a little bit the bottom of the frame in order to get the perfect plumb like this. So now I'm gonna adjust the this side of the frame to the level. So what I see is half of an inch of the plumb. Perfectly plumb. So now, since I have the hinges installed plumb, perfect level, I'm gonna put the shims right behind the hinge with a screw. Double checking the level.